Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, we're going to see how we can set a video as your screen wallpaper. This feature is really cool because when your screen background is a video, it creates a great experience because you can customize the background according to your taste. It could be a video of beautiful natural scenery, sea scenes, or even clips from your own videos, making your device unique and special. Your friends will be impressed. The great thing about this feature is that it's very easy to get videos to set as your background and change them with just a click. All you have to do is watch the video till the end. And now let's get started. This feature is not available in the Windows system and needs to be done through a program. We will download the program Desktop Hut, and you will find the link in the video description. After downloading the file, unzip it and run the program. You will click on the Select Live Wallpaper button, choose the video, and then hit play. This is how you set the background, and if you want to stop it, just click the Stop button. There is a dual monitor option if you have two screens and a sound option if you want to enable the video's sound or not. The Win compatibility option ensures compatibility with Windows, but when I tried it, I didn't notice any difference. The last option is Run at Startup, which lets the program start with Windows if you want. If you're wondering where you can get nice and free videos, the program itself has wallpapers. If you click on Download Live Wallpaper, it will take you to the site where you can find many videos to download. I prefer the website Pexels, and I will put its link in the video description. Search for what you want, click on the video, and from the arrow next to Free Download, choose the video resolution and then download it. That's it for today. I hope it was useful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you in a new video. Bye.